Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to open up an email in the preview application using the desktop application Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook as well as preview. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook, search for this, enter to open up the application, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, let's go within our inbox, click on an email that we wish to open up in the preview application. So let's now go to File, go to Print, or we can use the keyboard shortcut Command P to generate that window on screen. So let's now click on the arrow that points towards the bottom of the screen, because this will now export as a PDF or print in the form of that. Let's now open in preview. So the email that we were viewing on screen has now opened up in its separate preview application. We can now, if we wish to, Command S to save this on the desktop as a new file. This is now a PDF file that will open up in the preview application. Let's double click on this, and there we have it. That email in the preview application for us to view. So we can now quit preview. We can now quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.